Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on fingerprint scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver, the Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US Deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind. Bosma, simply better.
Welcome to the world of a new visual AI species, 360-degree object tracking holder, API Genie. Open the box and take out the tracking holder. Unscrew the battery cover and insert 3 AA size alkaline dry batteries. Loosen the knob, release the phone holder, and rotate it to horizontal or vertical mode. Open the phone holder and slide the phone into the phone holder. You can download the latest version of API Genie in App Stores or Google Play. Press the Power On button for 3 seconds. When red light flashing on, the tracking holder is ready to work. When the red light of holder keeps bright and app Bluetooth icon turns on, the tracking holder and app automatically connected successfully. Switch to the object tracking mode. Double-click the selected target in the camera interface. API Genie can start video follow recording. Switch to face tracking mode. Pose and wait for 3 seconds. It can automatically start the recording and taking photos. The object tracking holder can automatically recognize your face. Wherever you go, it will follow, allowing you to appear in the seat position every second. Switch to pair mode. 2 faces draw close and wait for 3 seconds. API Genie can automatically start taking photos. Show yourself. Accompany your family. Embrace your beloved. Play with your pets and have fun with your children. Release your hands and love freely. API Genie is always by your side. 360-degree object tracking holder, API Genie.
Bye, Jeff.
Bye.
Very quick tower, this is Blue West 1.
Hello. nothing. What are you looking at? What? Really?
No.
Nothing's going on.
No, that's it.
Is
No.
that right?
I work as a cameraman, and wearing face masks has always been a part of my job. Finally, I realized there is no universal mask that you could always keep in your bag just in case. The mask that protects you from dust, pollution, bacteria, and still is easy to breathe in. Introducing Breeze. Based on years of personal experience, we created Breeze to be the only mask you need, comfortable and versatile. Breeze is equipped with pure 24-karat gold and silver-plated bactericide filters. Paired with dust filters, they stop over 99% of pollution and bacteria. It's been known for centuries that silver is lethal for microbes, and our team of chemists and engineers took it to the next level. We added gold to trigger a galvanic reaction. This significantly enhanced silver's antibacterial properties. What's more, Breeze is made from a special cooling material. Sprinkle it with water and it'll keep your face cool in the summer heat. We thought about every detail, including windproof valves, pressure-relieving adjustable straps, and an ergonomic nose arch. Most masks protect just you, but Breeze filters your own breath in case you worry about your family and friends. It's washable and will work for many years to come. Any face mask is a restraint, but we are living in the new reality. Therefore, Breeze is designed to provide better protection and maximum comfort, especially on the go. Please support our campaign. These days, we all need to be prepared and stay safe.
Hey, I'm Alex, founder of MIZU Towel. I would like to introduce you to the smartest, softest, and most durable towel ever made. MIZU combines world-famous Xinjiang cotton with pure silver to naturally eliminate bacterial growth, thus eliminating that musty towel smell once and for all. This works because silver naturally carries a positive charge. Upon contact with bacteria, silver strips an electron from the bacteria's membrane, preventing its reproduction and destroying it. But what about other non-bacterial contaminants that can be harmful to your skin and your health? Well, if you're like me, you'll do anything to stop from getting sick. What most people don't realize, however, is that towels can get dangerously contaminated. When we shower, clean our faces, or wipe our hands, oil, sweat, and residual soaps contaminate our towels. And they don't get removed unless it's washed. Meanwhile, your towel gets laced with more and more contaminants. We don't see this happening because microstains cannot be seen with the naked eye. In response, we created MIZU, a smart, self-cleaning towel with contaminant detecting technology. When MIZU sensing areas get contaminated by oils, sweat, residual soaps, or bacterial metabolites, the color changes from blue to red to remind you when the towel needs to be cleaned. The color change is due to a special dye made from a unique blend of natural plant extracts. MIZU is made off the back of quality components. Xinjiang cotton has excellent water absorbency while still remaining light and airy. Each of these towels also has a twisted yarn weave, which minimizes dry time, promotes the circulation of oxygen, and also remains ultra soft and comfortable. MIZU is Japanese for water, and water is very important in the creation of a towel. Imabari, Japan is the towel-making capital of the world, and their secret to success is metal-free soft water. We use the same soft water in our production process to give MIZU a luxurious softness and luscious absorbency. MIZU is also easy to clean. Just place it into your regular wash. The color will reset back to blue, and the cotton quality will unlock and get softer over time. Lastly, we have a message to the Kickstarter community that is tired of being let down by project creators. MIZU's prototype was loved by thousands of our trusting backers at the beginning of this year back in Asia. Unlike many crowdfunding campaigns, we're prepared to fulfill our backers' orders mere weeks after completion of the campaign. That's because MIZU Towel is a completed, real product that we have painstakingly concept tested, prototyped, and perfected for your homes and families. Your pledge as a backer will be used to secure our first minimum order quantity of MIZU towels. Back us today on Kickstarter and get your hands on the world's first self-cleaning and contaminant detecting towel at an unbeatable price that we will not be able to offer in the future. Thank you.